Hi, my name is Maria Fernanda Villamizar Alvarez. My team today is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Actually, I'm a student in University Santo Tomás. In the class in English, the teacher, Jocelyn. Okay, is what created by a committee like B. Roosevelt. He was president the USA of members from 80 countries. Written by John Peters in December 10, 1948. The Declaration of the Human Rights contains 13 articles where the rights and freedoms of the people. Also, is it related to my career? Is this also matter for all humans in the world? It is very important because it contains all your rights, because it recognizes the freedom, equality, and dignity of people. Before the Declaration Universal Society and life in submission, and without any recognition or protection, the human life in general. Human rights were created afterwards and caused by the Second World War. Okay, founding a new international order and for the universal protection for all people to live there in freedom, equality, and dignity. Okay, question, three questions. Thank you.